weakening the tongue there when I do this. Yeah.
60 days or days we are village.
66
Huh?
days?
65.
65, so 2 months.
Yes, yes,
Thank you. Thank you for the honor.
I've been able to cut some
And our colleagues was there
Right?
as well.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, just right on the nose.
Okay.
Oil.
Yeah.
I would change it.
Yeah.
She works with machines also.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, I was in
Now I'm counting until 20 before switch on the pump. When you crank here first, then take off the button and switch on. And that's it.
it's done. It's no doesn't. Yeah. So I think yeah. Over here is the Roman fluid that has been pumped in, not pumped out from the.
So you guys tell me.
Catch all your pictures.
Should just point to me.
Yes, and we are checking hydrogen. Sample is still running. So what sample are you looking at right now? We are looking at top-down consortium. Do you have some peaks? Yeah, so now methane is over here. Just on one second.
So which consortium?
It's a top-down consortium.
Okay.
We are just measuring methane and hydrogen
Can you point to
from
the
the
computer?
samples. So this is
The standard? Wait, is this the standard?
this was the standard or the sample?
We put the standard.